Okay, another little update. We've put a cam locker in. I haven't actually locked the crank, but we can see that it's in the right place. Where's that little needle thing? So if we take this thing, we can see anyway that if we put that through there, what? I can't quite see around the bottom. Can I put the light on? Yeah, so and this lines up with this bolt. But I'm not going to lock that one just yet, because we need to change more stuff. Which way are we? I'm this way. Right, okay. So we've done that so that we can take the belt off and not worry. So I'm going to take this pump back off, and then I'll take this belt off, and then that means I'll be able to take this bracket off, and then that means we'll be able to get the manifold all the way off. So I'll come back to you in a minute. Okay, so that's the timing belt off and the pump off. We'll just take this plate off. I'll show you now. I think this is the last bolt on this mount. That's probably enough anyway. I mean, that's just completely blocked for starters. I mean, I'm really hoping I was wrong yesterday, but will you come off now? Right, we have it off. Let's try and get out of this bloody garage. So let's have a look. Light on. How do we turn on the camera? That is one whole flap. That looks like one whole flap. That looks like one whole flap. Looks like one whole flap. Can we get this to spin? Can we turn these? Probably not. Okay, victory. Happy boy.